Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable collage notifications for published pins on Pinterest using your PC. If you've been overwhelmed by notifications every time someone interacts with your collages, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left side menu where you'll find various options. Next, click on the gear icon, which represents the settings. This icon is typically located at the bottom of the left-hand menu. After clicking it, you'll be directed to the settings page. Now, from the settings menu, locate and click on Notifications. This section allows you to manage all your notification preferences. Under the notification settings, look for the category labeled Pins You Published. Here, you'll find an option for collages. Click on it to access the notification settings specifically for your collage pins. Once you're in the Collages section, you'll see an option to disable push notifications. Toggle this option off to stop receiving notifications related to your collages. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page to ensure that your changes are applied. This step is crucial. Otherwise, your settings won't be updated. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and disable collage notifications for published pins on Pinterest. This update helps streamline your experience and keeps your notifications relevant and manageable. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for using Pinterest effectively. Thanks for watching.